1967 USA 1 cent coin, Lincoln Memorial Cent, Antero. Could a 1967 penny be a hidden treasure? What if the old penny in your pocket change from 1967 is actually worth hundreds, thousands, or even more? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the 1967 Lincoln cent, a coin that seems common but hides some amazing secrets. From rare varieties to high auction sales, and even errors worth thousands, you'll want to watch till the end to know exactly what to look for. Historical background: America in transition. 1967 was a time of social change in America, civil rights movements, cultural revolutions, and rising tensions abroad. In the world of coins, the U.S. Mint was still recovering from the coin shortage of the mid-1960s. In response, Congress had ordered mint marks removed from all U.S. coins between 1965 and 1967 to prevent collectors from hoarding. That means the 1967 penny has no mint mark, regardless of where it was minted, Philadelphia, Denver, or San Francisco. Also, no proof sets were issued in 1967. Instead, the U.S. Mint released special mint sets, SMS, to satisfy collector demand during this transitional period. Design and symbolism: a memorial to LNCOL. The 1967 Lincoln cent features the same iconic design that debuted in 1959, obverse, front designed by Victor David Brenner. It features a right-facing bust of President Abraham Lincoln with "In God We Trust" above, liberty, to the left, the year, 1967, to the right, no mint mark under the date, reverse, back, Frank Kasparos. Design shows the Lincoln Memorial, representing unity and the legacy of Lincoln's presidency, United States of America, above, E pluribus unum, just above the building, 1 cent. At the bottom, a tiny but remarkable detail is the minute statue of Lincoln visible between the columns of the memorial on higher-grade coins, a symbol of continuity and memory. Mintage process: mass production with a purpose to combat the coin shortage and discourage hoarding. The mint focused on mass production. Composition: 95% copper, 5% zinc. Weight: 3.11 grams. No mint marks. All 1967 cents were struck without identifying mint location. No proofs, only special mint sets. SMS coins were struck with higher care, but not quite proof quality. Mintage numbers: circulating strikes: 3048, 667, 100. SMS sets: 1863, 344. This massive mintage means most 1967 pennies are common, but that also means rare varieties stand out even more to collectors. Rarity and varieties: what to look for despite its large mintage. A few error coins and SMS varieties from 1967 are rare and valuable. SMS cameo and deep cameo coins: these coins have frosted features and mirror-like fields. Deep cameos are especially rare and bring premium prices. Double die obverse, DDO. Look for signs of doubling on liberty or in God We Trust. These varieties are scarce and valuable. Double die reverse, DDR. Doubling in the words 1 cent or the memorial building itself can add significant value. Off-center strikes: coins that are misaligned during striking, especially those that show a full date, are popular with error collectors. Clipped planchets and broad strikes: these mint errors make for visually striking and collectible coins. Wrong planchet errors: very rare, but if you find a 1967 cent struck on a silver dime or foreign planchet, it can be worth thousands. Value: what is a 1967 penny really worth? Here's what you can expect your 1967 penny to be worth. Circulated condition: typically 1 to 3 cents, based on copper value. Uncirculated: mint state: MS60, MS63, 10 cents to $0.500, MS64, MS65, $1 to $5,000, MS66 red, $15 to $3,000, MS67 red, $100 to $400 plus. Special mint set coins: SMS without cameo, $300 to $6,000, SMS cameo, $20 to $600 plus. SMS deep cameo, $200 to $1,000 plus. Valuable errors and varieties: DDO or DDR, $50 to $500 plus. Off-center strikes: $75 to $300 plus. Wrong planchet errors: $1,000 to $10,000 plus. Coins certified by PCGS or NGC in high grades fetch much higher prices, especially with red or cameo designations. Recent auctions: Real money for the right PNNES. Some 1967 Lincoln cents have sold for incredible prices at auction. In 1967 SMS Lincoln cent graded SP68 Deep Cameo sold $4.4935. A regular strike MS67 Plus Red brought over $6.50. An off-center 1967 cent with nearly 70% of the design missing, but full date visible, sold $4.780. An example struck on a silver dime planchet fetched $9,000 plus. These auction results show that quality, rarity, and certification are key to big value. Worth millions in circulation. The possibility EXSTS. Could a 1967 penny be worth millions? While none have yet reached that level, here's how it might happen. Discovery of a unique mule error, like a penny obverse struck with a dime reverse, a new, previously undocumented double die, a coin in perfect MS69 or SP70 Deep Cameo condition, ownership history tied to a famous collection or person, a wrong metal planchet from an experimental strike or rare transition piece. If any of these scenarios are discovered, and confirmed, they could potentially lead to a 1967 cent breaking the $1 million barrier in the future. Conclusion: check your change, protect your FINDS. So, if you've got a 1967 penny lying around, don't toss it away just yet. Look for clean, red surfaces, signs of doubling, or errors like off-center strikes and odd coloration. You never know, your next big find could be sitting in your coin jar or pocket change right now. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more deep coin dives, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a hidden treasure alert. Got a weird or rare-looking 1967 penny? Drop a comment and share your discovery. We'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy collecting.